Hello friends, welcome to my channel Different Hues of Nature. Friends, today I am going to tell you about how to make compost with kitchen waste. There are many methods of making kitchen compost. So I am telling you how to make compost within the ground by digging pit or trench. Trench composting is an efficient, low maintenance method to create nutrient rich soil directly in your garden bed by burying kitchen and yard waste. You can choose a spot in your garden, such as between existing plant rows in an empty bed or in a future planting area. You can do this year round through it is most effective in fall to prepare for spring planting. Don't dig too close to existing delicate roots. Dig a trench that is 8 to 12 inches deep and shovel width which should be 12 inches. Clear the area nicely, clean it, remove all the stones from it, then dig it. Keep the soil aside as you will need it to cover the waste later on. Clean the area. This time I am digging the trench outside of my garden. As you see in the video, it is under the tree so it can get shade also. Friends, now collect greens, nitrogen, collect all the fruit peels, vegetables, scraps, leaves and coffee grounds. Daily we chop vegetables and eat fruits so easily you can get this all in your home. I have been collecting grains since 7-8 days in a container for making compost. Chop the pieces like I am doing in video. Smaller pieces can decompose faster. You can add a little cow dung to speed up the process. Friends, avoid meat, fish, and dairy products. Oily and cooked food too. Don't add in your compost. And check out diseased plants also. Don't use diseased plants in your compost. Continue digging new holes in different areas of the garden. It allows previous spots to decompose. Keep all the vegetables in the pit and get ready. Bring your leaves near the pit. Mix dry leaves, cardboard or shredded paper to balance the carbon to nitrogen ratio. Remove all the plastics and papers from the leaves and check the leaves also before putting them in pit. Now I am taking out the leaves from the bucket. I am cleaning the leaves and putting them in pit. Second layer of my compost. Warm weather is ideal for composting provided you keep the pile moist, aerated and shaded. My compost gets shade from tree. Composting during warm sunny days is generally very good because heat speeds up the activity of microorganisms, causing materials to decompose much faster. However, if not managed properly, hot weather can lead to issues like the pile drying out or becoming sticky. High temperatures 130 degree F to 160 degree F in the center of the pile kill weed seeds, pathogens and harmful bacteria. You can produce and use compost more rapidly for your garden. Intense sun and heat can dry out the pile, causing the decomposition process to slow down or stop entirely. If the pile becomes too dry or too wet and sticky, it can produce bad odors and attracts pests, so be careful. Add no soil which we kept aside while digging the trench. Clear it nicely and cover the trench with soil. Take help of shovel. Ensure the pile is moist, not soggy, to a damp sponge. If it is too dry, add water. If too wet, add more dry materials. Use a stick or shovel to turn and mix the pile every 5 to 7 days to introduce oxygen and speed up the decomposition. Cover the pit nicely with sand, with soil. Wait and harvest. In 2 or 3 months, the mixture will turn into dark, crumbly compost with the earthly smell. Okay friends, if you like my video then please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.